Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can or cannot customize. First of all, we've got only the time zone, so we cannot really change the date and time because we are using the automatic option. So first of all, let's tap on this switcher, and as you can see, the date and the time will appear. So now we can freely tap on it and just by swiping change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just swipe and tap on OK. It will be of course immediately applied to the status bar. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got all of existing time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, for example this one. And it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can also customize the clock format. Currently we are using 24-hour one. To use 12-hour one, just tap on the switcher to turn it off. We can also decide whether we want to use the dual clocks, and the main idea of that is that your device will simply display two different clocks, the first with the hour from the place you're currently in and the second one from another place in the world. So it's basically up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just tap on the switcher. And basically this is the whole customization of the date and time. You can always go back to the automatic option just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.